The automatic login authentication method will perform a login via SAML SSO as soon as the SAML user navigates to the authentication page of the deployed portal. This relieves the user from having to interface with the login form and click additional buttons to authenticate into the deployed environment. To enable automatic SSO login for your environment, you will first need to ensure your SAML SSO provider has been properly integrated and configured within the portal-based project. Once you have your provider configured, navigate to the user login form within the portal-based project, and this form will be modified to support the automatic SAML login integration. Because this method bypasses the login form, you will be unable to log in as the super admin for the environment. This is sometimes necessary when needing to make modifications to the portal-based project. Later on in this video, we'll showcase how to bypass the automatic login to temporarily log in as the super admin. Alright, once we're in the user login form, the first thing we want to do is drag a hidden component onto the form. And we'll just call this SAML auto login. We're going to go to the data tab and make sure the persistent setting is set to none. And we're going to go to the calculated value and paste the following JavaScript. This code can be found in our help documentation, which is linked in the description of this video. Alright, with our JavaScript in place, let's go ahead and save our form. And we'll go ahead and log into the environment again as the SAML user. Alright, I am now in an incognito window, and I'm going to go to my local host, which is where my deployed portal is. And as soon as we hit the authentication page, we are bypassed and redirected to my SAML provider, which is OneLogin. And once I log in, I should be redirected to the portal. To temporarily bypass the authentication method, we can pass a URL parameter. I'll show you what that looks like real quick. This parameter can be found in the help documentation, again linked in the description of this video. So once this parameter is in the URL here, we can go ahead and log out, and we can log in as our super admin if we need to. And if I go ahead and remove this, we're back to the automatic login with SAML.